and lick it. Why if you licking? Yeah, lick it. The video comes up. Mommy, I love it. And it's my favorite in the whole wide world. Love it.
Hey ATA, it's your girl Anna, and today we're back with another video. We will be converting different types of chocolate tea to add a little mint flavor. Stay tuned. So hey guys, you know that I'm in the Christmas spirit, and here we have different flavors and different brands of hot chocolate. We have mint flavor, we have cinnamon, we have cocoa berry, we have peppermint, we have instant chocolate, we have cocoa chocolate, and we also have some candy canes, some mint candy canes. We're also going to add some milk, coffee meat, and some condensed milk. So first we're going to pound some of the candy canes because we want to do a little decorative rim of the teacups. So after pounding them, we are going to open each container and pour it on the cutting board. You can use a plate, you can pour it wherever you want to pour it. I'm using a cutting board. Once I've done that, I'm now going to add some condensed milk to a saucer. And because we don't want it to get too messy, while it will, and we're just going to coat the edge of the rim rather of the teacup in the condensed milk, then we are going to add it to the candy canes, and voila, here we have a nice decorative rim. So the garnishing is good. The first tea that we'll be trying coffee, and this is instant coffee. I'm using the Nescafe brand. So we have added that to the cup, and we're now going to add some boiling water to it, and we're going to add some milk, and also we are going to add some coffee meat, and you just give that a stirty, and you can taste it to your liking. And that is basically it for the coffee. We're now going to add some whipped cream, and yes, this is my favorite part. And to the whipped cream, we are going to add a candy cane, and that's it. So this is mint coffee. Yes, it was delicious. It was okay. I'd give it probably an 8 out of 10. Now we're going to try the coconut coffee, and then we're going to do the cocoa berry, and lastly here we're going to do the mint flavor. So what we're doing, we're just going to give it a mix because this instant cocoa says that we're only supposed to add water, or we can add some milk, but it was sweet enough, we didn't want any milk. So now we're just going to top that off with some whipped cream. And yes people, yes, we love whipped cream. And then we are going to add our candy canes, and that's it. These were delicious. My favorite was the cocoa berry. Now we're adding the Swiss cocoa, and this is the one with the marshmallow. And you know that it's instant, so I'm just using the candy cane to give it a star. People, this was delicious. I'm not telling you any lie. My son tried it and he loved it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Remember to watch the ads, and do have yourself a Merry Christmas when it comes. Until next time, it's your girl Anna.
And lick it. Why if you licking?